We'll start electricity. Page number 199. Sina. Electricity. Word derived from the word what? Electricity is a word derived from the word dash. Fill in the blanks. क्या नहीं मालूम? चैप्टर तो हो गया, कैसे नहीं मालूम? मेरे पास नहीं हुआ, मतलब मैक्सिमम लोगों का हो गया ना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. बोलो. अरे नो वन. अच्छा, ट्राई जस्ट मेक अ गेस ना. यू कैन मेक गेसेस. रॉन्ग है मैं डांट तो थोड़ी ना आपको. मेक गेसेस.
इलेक्ट्रिक करंट.
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज अ वर्ड डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम द वर्ड डैश. इलेक्ट्रिक करंट नहीं. हाँ चलो, और कुछ गेस. जल्दी जल्दी इतना टाइम लगता है क्या?
इलेक्ट्रॉन.
एनर्जी.
ये सही है. अभी
इलेक्ट्रॉन.
इलेक्ट्रॉन सही तो है. गेस किया करो भी, राइट आ जाता कभी कभी. नाउ electricity is a word derived from the word electron. Okay, page number 199. Clear? Electricity. Read. Electricity has an important place in modern society. It is a controllable and convenient form of energy for a variety of uses in homes, schools, hospitals, industries, and so on. What constitutes electricity? Come on. What constitutes electricity?
इलेक्ट्रॉन.
Constitute electricity. Next. How does the current flow through an electric circuit? How does the current flow through an electric circuit? बोलो. नहीं मालूम?
From positive terminal to the negative terminal.
हाँ, positive to negative terminal. That is the direction of flow of electric current.
In a closed
इसलिए
path.
अब सुनो एक मिनट. मैंने क्वेश्चन एक पूछा, आप आंसर एक दे रहे हो. बराबर. आपके आंसर का जो क्वेश्चन है वही अलग है. इसलिए अभी किसी ने पूछा था मैथ्स में क्वेश्चन, साइंस में क्वेश्चन, एवरीवेयर, wherever I give you writing notes or wherever you write it down, always remember to write questions. बराबर. बोर नहीं होना. पढ़ाई बोर नहीं होती कभी. बराबर. सोचो, अभी मैंने एक क्वेश्चन पूछा, आपने अलग आंसर दिया. आपके आंसर का क्वेश्चन ही अलग था. वो क्वेश्चन आया ही नहीं अभी तक. बराबर. सो आंसर के साथ क्वेश्चन भी लिखना. सो सुनो अभी. हाँ, सेकंड क्वेश्चन इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक इज हाउ डज इट फ्लो इन एन इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट. आपने बताया डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट नहीं पूछ रही है टेक्स्ट बुक पूछ रही है हाउ डज इट फ्लो इन एन इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट. कैन एनीवन गेस मेक गेसेस. हाँ,
Closed path.
Straight.
closed path. You are nearer to the answer.
One direction.
Closed path means you are talking about a conductor. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes,
pay attention here. The question is how. ये क्वेश्चन के आंसर्स ही ढूंढना है हमको चैप्टर में. लेकिन चैप्टर जब स्टार्ट होता है ना, तभी उसका थोड़ा आइडिया आ जाना चाहिए आपको. देखो अभी. How does it flow in an electric circuit? Electric circuit means in a conductor. How does electric current flow in a conductor? Okay, how does it flow? Now this is a conductor. Okay, suppose this is a copper conductor. Which conductor?
Copper.
Copper conductor.
Now in this conductor, this is the microscopic view of your conductor. Okay, electron microscope. So what will you observe here?
Electrons.
What will you observe? What are these?
Electrons.
Electrons.
Atoms. What are these?
Atoms.
Atoms. है ना? Which atoms are these? Which atoms?
Protons and electrons.
अरे which atoms?
Negatively charged.
हाँ
Copper atoms.
सिंपल ना, कॉपर एटम।
Copper atom.
हाँ आम के पेड़ को आम ही आएंगे ना, अभी एप्पल आएंगे क्या? मैंने बोला कॉपर, मैंने बताया आपको कॉपर कंडक्टर है और एटम्स कौन से हैं, तो आप बोल रहे कुछ भी कुछ, कॉपर के एटम्स है ना। सो बी अटेंटिव, क्लियर? फिजिक्स इज एक्चुअली इंटरेस्टिंग, क्लियर? इट मेक्स यू थिंक, इट इंक्रीजेस योर क्यूरियोसिटी, है ना। तो वो मींस ट्राई टू बिकम वन विद द पाथ, है ना। तो देखो अभी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लो कैसे होता है, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, और थ्योरीज भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है। आपने सब थ्योरीज पहले पढ़ी हुई है, सिर्फ उसको लिंकअप करना है, लिंकअप। यहाँ देखो नाउ, this is a copper conductor and these are the atoms, clear? Now, and these are the outermost orbits that I have drawn. What revolves in the orbits? What revolves?
Electrons.
Electrons are revolving in the orbits. Now see what happens whenever you put the switch on. Whenever you put the switch on, what happens? An electron, this big dot is an electron. This electron comes in contact with an atom, with the outermost orbit of an atom. Now, can you guess what will happen?
It will
Charges.
Huh?
electron.
It will become ion.
Opposition would be there.
Oh, it will pass.
Opposition would be there. Opposition. Now pay attention here. When this electron will jump, it actually jumps. Jump, hops, hop, frog hop. Okay? Clear? It actually jumps. This electron will fall on the outermost orbit of the copper atom. And here what is revolving? Electrons are revolving. So this electron, this is also electron, this is also electron. Both are negatively charged particles. So like charges dash each other.
Repel.
Repel.
This electron will be thrown away. Again, it will jump here somewhere. Again, it will jump here somewhere. It will jump here. Jump. 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 And this is how electric current is, means electric current passes. Clear? Actual meaning of electric current passing is electron passing. Clear? This will be more clear in your audio visual because this is just a 2D figure, length and breadth. वहां आपको 3D एनिमेशन दिखाई देगा. क्लियर? ये कैसे जंप होके मूव करता है, अभी आप थोड़ा बहुत समझ सकते हो, वहां और अच्छे से समझ में आएगा कैसे मूव होगा. Clear? So just try to understand. Is this thing clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Here is so much interesting. You know? So the answer to the question, how does it flow in an electric circuit? How does it flow in an electric circuit? It flows like this. Okay. Now, what are the factors that control or regulate the current through an electric circuit? What are the factors that control or regulate? Clear? Now listen. We'll discuss about one factor. Huh? We use copper wires. We use copper wires in our household. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Iron is cheaper than copper. Then why don't we use iron wires?
For safety, we use
Copper is more reactive.
Copper is good conductor.
बराबर है, लेकिन ऐसा लग नहीं रहा आपका चैप्टर हुआ है बोल के. या तो आपने ख्याल नहीं दिया ऐसा लग रहा है, या तो आपने टेक्स्ट बुक
नहीं हुआ है अभी तक.
नहीं हुआ है अभी.
हुआ ही नहीं है.
वेरी गुड. चलो नहीं हुआ है तो पहले ही आप पढ़ ले रहे हो, बहुत अच्छी बात है. हाँ, सो आई आंसर दे ना, मींस आई आंसर दे. सी द रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ कॉपर इज लेस देन दैट ऑफ आयरन. अब आप बोलेंगे सर रेजिस्टेंस का मतलब पढ़ेंगे, हम आगे पढ़ेंगे. क्लियर? फिलहाल के लिए रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ कॉपर इज लेस देन दैट ऑफ आयरन. मोर द रेजिस्टेंस, more the loss of electric current. What did I say? More the resistance, more the loss of electric current. So if iron has more resistance and copper has less resistance, who will waste electricity, iron or copper?
Iron.
Iron will waste electricity. Electricity will be wasted if you use iron wires. Yeah, because its resistance is high. So therefore we use copper wires. Okay. This is one factor. Which is this factor? Type of material. What did we discuss about? We discussed about the type of material. Clear? Read now. What are the factors that control or regulate the current through an electric circuit? There are many factors. We just discussed one factor. Okay. In this chapter, we shall attempt to answer such questions. हमको आंसर देना है अभी तो, हमको आंसर समझना है. तो अभी स्टार्टिंग में आपको एक रफ आइडिया आ गया कि चैप्टर किस बारे में और कितना इंटरेस्टिंग है ना? Now, we shall attempt to answer such questions. We shall also discuss the heating effect of electric current and its applications. Heating effect of electric current. See, this tube light. Here there is a tube light. Okay, tube light is heating effect of electric current or lighting effect of electric current.
Lighting effect.
Lighting effect. नहीं, both नहीं. आप बराबर हैं. But what is desirable? Is light desirable from a tube light or is heat desirable from a tube light?
Light.
Light desirable. So whatever is desirable, we'll speak about that. है ना? समझ में आ रहा है? आपको थोड़ा थोड़ा क्लियर होते जा रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
So this is lighting effect of electric current. Tube light is lighting effect of electric current. Now, can you give me an example of heating effect of electric current of an appliance? Name an appliance.
Heater.
Room heater.
Room heater, geyser. These are heating effect. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now, electric current and.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, the bulb at old times, they gave both yellow bulbs, so they gave heating effect too and lighting effect also.
Why were we using those bulbs? For lighting or for getting heat?
Lighting, but sir,
Lighting.
even they used to get warm.
हाँ, that was an undesirable effect. बराबर. अब now tell me one thing. If suppose आपके घर में आपको bulb लगाना है, bulb, है ना? So will you use that white colored 7 watt bulb or the older 160 watt bulb?
White.
White.
color.
7 watt.
Why?
More light, to get more light.
More electricity will be consumed by the 60 watt bulb. पुराने वाले बल्ब से लाइट बिल आपका ज्यादा आएगा क्योंकि वो 60 वाट का है, ये 7 वाट का है. 8 times difference is there. 7 8s are 56. Okay, means 8 times your bill will increase 8 times. If you get a 100 rupees bill, you will get 800 rupees bill. Okay, so what is desirable whenever we use a bulb? Is light desirable or is heat desirable?
Light.
Light.
That was a secondary effect. Primary effect was lighting. Secondary effect was heating. But that may or may not be desirable. Will it be desirable or it will be desirable in monsoon, in winter season? That heat would be desirable. But will that heat be desirable in summer season?
No.
है ना? समझ में आ रहा है आपको?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
And moreover, the illumination capacity of LED bulbs, white bulbs, is more than that of the older ones. So पुराने bulbs जो है वो ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भी लेते थे, कम लाइट भी देते थे. अब के bulbs जो है वो कम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी लेते हैं और ज्यादा लाइट देते हैं. इल्यूमिनेशन कैपेसिटी मतलब लाइट देने की कैपेसिटी. समझे?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes.
पढ़ो. और कुछ डाउट है? चैप्टर इंटरेस्टिंग होता है, मतलब ऐसे स्टार्टिंग में ऐसे डाउट रेज करने से इंटरेस्टिंग बनते जाता है. वील ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द आंसर्स. और कुछ है आपके मन में? नहीं है? चलो. इलेक्ट्रिक करंट एंड सर्किट. We are familiar with air current and water current. We know that flowing water constitutes water current in reverse. Similarly, if the electric charge flows through a conductor, for example, through a metallic wire, we say that there is an electric current in the conductor. In a torch, we know that the cells or a battery, when placed in proper order, provide flow of charges or electric current through the torch bulb to glow. We have also seen that the torch gives light only when its switch is on. Its switch is on. Nowadays, digital torches are there. Earlier, manual means manual torches were there. Clear? आपने कभी वो मैनुअल टॉर्च देखा हुआ है जिसको स्विच होता है, ऐसे ऊपर करना पड़ता है, स्विच ऊपर, ऐसा टॉर्च देखा हुआ है?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, what happens in that torch? Pay attention here on the board. The torch is somewhat like this, and here there is a switch. Here there is a switch. Clear? Now, here there is a switch. Now tell me, is the torch on or off?
Off.
Off. है ना? If you want to put it on, you have to push this switch above. When you push this switch above, what happens? It gets connected. The wire gets joined. See, is the wire joined now?
Yes.
yes,
And the bulb glows. So, what did you do by pushing the switch? You closed the circuit. What did you do?
Close the circuit.
Whenever you close the circuit, flow of electrons starts. Whenever you close the circuit, flow of electrons start. Whenever you open the circuit, now see, the circuit is open. Open matlab connection toot gaya. So the bulb won't glow. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Now read. Read. We say, where were we? We have also seen that the torch gives light only when its switch is on. What does a switch do? Now, on the basis of this information, can you answer what does a switch do?
Closes the circuit.
A switch creates a conducting link. What is the word?
conducting link.
Conducting link.
Okay, means it completes the circuit. It closes the circuit. But the actual word is conducting link. आगे देखो, आगे लिखा हुआ है. What does a switch do? A switch makes a conducting link between the cell and the bulb. A continuous and closed path of an electric current is called an electric circuit. Continuous and closed path. Continuous and closed path. Electrons moving, electrons moving, electrons moving, electrons moving. Electric circuit. Clear? Electric current is flowing. Clear? Electric current. If the circuit is closed, electric current is flowing. If the circuit is open, what? Is electric current flowing?
No.
No. Now read it further. A continuous and closed path of an electric current is called an electric circuit. Now, if the circuit is broken anywhere, or the switch of the torch is turned off, the current stops flowing and the bulb does not glow. Is this paragraph clear?
Yes, sir.
How do we express electric current? Electric current is expressed by the amount of charge flowing through a particular area in unit time. अब ये थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, इसको इजी टर्म्स में हम इजी टर्म्स. नाउ व्हाट वाज दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन डूइंग? Was it moving through the
No.
copper conductor?
No, hopping.
Moving,
Jumping.
hopping. चलो moving, jumping, hopping. चलो ठीक है. Moving. Was it moving through the copper conductor?
Yes.
Yes.
Moving. Now listen. If in 2 seconds, if in 2 seconds one electron passes this much area and this much length of wire, how many seconds did I say? 2 seconds. And if
2.
same electron passes in 1 second, in which case the electric current flowing is more?
Second.
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 Second means 1 second or 2 seconds?
1 second.
1 second.
1 second.
1 second. It's simple. If you are running a race, clear, and if you are able to cover an area, cover a length in 2 hours, and someone else is able to cover that same length in 1 hour, so who is faster? Obviously, that person is faster. Clear? Means here similar thing. Okay, electric current. So you decided that electric current means the speed of electric current, or how is electric current expressed? It is expressed in terms of flow of charges. आप बोलेंगे सर charges, electron is a charge. Is electron a charge?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So how did you decide? You decided electric circuit. You decided the flow of electric current on the basis of flow of electric charges. Clear? Read. Once again read. How do we express electric current? Electric current is expressed by the amount of charge flowing through a particular. Is the statement clear?
No, sir, you was paused. Your video was paused.
And audio also.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm not able to hear you.
You are not audible.
You are not audible, sir.
I'm not audible. आ रही है.
अभी आ रही है.
कहाँ तक थे हम? मैंने सेकेंड टाइम रीड करना स्टार्ट किया था तब तो थे ना आप?
क्वेश्चन पढ़ा और उसके बाद
पढ़ो. और एक बार पढ़ो. How do we express electric current? Electric current is expressed by the amount of charge flowing through a particular area in unit time. मैंने ये पढ़ा और मैंने पूछा था, did you understand this statement on the basis of this example?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
और एक बार पढ़ो. कोई तो एक पढ़ो आप में से, सेकंड सेंटेंस या तो दोनों सेंटेंसेस पढ़ो. चलो पढ़ो. How से पढ़ो.
do we express electric current? Electric current is expressed by the amount of charge flowing through a particular area in unit time.
Amount of charge flowing through a particular area in unit time. Is this statement clear?
Yes, sir.
In other words, it is the rate of flow of electric charges. Electric current is the rate of 9th स्टैंडर्ड में बहुत बार आपने सीखा हुआ है. रेट ऑफ का मतलब क्या होता है? Whenever you come across the words rate of means upon t.
Time.
What do you mean by rate of? Upon
Upon
Time.
Time.
rate of flow of charges. Rate of flow of charges. Rate of means upon t, and flow of charges means q. Okay, q is the amount of charge that flows. Clear? So electric current is the rate of flow of charges, means which is the first formula that we studied. I is equal to q upon t.
T.
I is equal to Q upon T.
I is equal to Q upon T. In other words, it is the rate of flow of electric charges. In circuits using metallic wires, electrons constitute the flow of charges. In metallic wires, who constitute the flow of charges?
Electrons.
Electrons.
So the theory that we are studying is based on these earlier concepts only. Correct? Padho, aage padho.
Yes.
In circuits using metallic wires, electrons constitute the flow of charges. However, electrons were not known at the time when the phenomena of electricity was first observed. So, electric current was considered to be the flow of positive charges, and the direction of flow of positive charges was taken to be the direction of electric current. Earlier, okay, conventionally in an electric circuit, the direction of electric current is taken as opposite to the direction of flow of electrons, which are negative charges. Now see here on the board. Page number 200, figure 12.1. Here, a big line plus sign, small line minus sign. Clear? One big line and one small line means one battery. How many batteries are there in figure 12.1?
Two.
Two big lines and two small lines means two batteries are there. Clear? Now, pay attention here. Here, electrons, listen to all the questions carefully. Think and answer. Electrons will flow from negative terminal to positive terminal. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Electrons भी flow होंगे ना negative terminal to positive terminal से. Clear? Now, we are discussing electricity and everywhere they are saying electrons move,
Yes,
electrons move, electrons move, electrons move. Why don't protons move? Positive charges. Positive charge भी move हो सकता है ना? क्यों नहीं होता?
So because it is present in the nucleus.
Very good. Very good. They are stationary. Protons are what?
Stationary.
Stationary.
Therefore, they constitute the mass of the atom. Atomic mass का formula क्या है? अरे?
Proton plus neutron.
Yes, A is equal to P plus N. भूल गए? A is equal to P plus N. Atomic mass is equal to protons plus neutrons. Why are protons considered? Why are neutrons considered? Because they are stationary in the nucleus. They do not move. Clear? So आपने डाउट पूछने से पहले ही मैंने आपको बता दिया जो पॉसिबल डाउट्स हैं आपके मन में आ सकते हैं. Why don't they move? Because you have the answer now. So electrons move from negative terminal to positive terminal, and the direction of flow of electric current is taken opposite to the flow of electrons. Clear? Means positive terminal to negative terminal. Now tell me, the direction of flow of electric current is from dash terminal to dash terminal.
Positive
to
terminal to
negative.
negative terminal.
ऐसा क्यों?
And the direction of flow of electrons is from
Negative to
Negative terminal to positive
terminal.
दोनों चीजों में बहुत कंसिडरेबल, दोनों क्वेश्चंस में कंसिडरेबल डिफरेंस है. सिर्फ एक जगह इलेक्ट्रॉन है, द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, और दूसरी जगह द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. Electric current flows from positive terminal to negative terminal, and electrons flow from negative terminal to positive terminal. Okay. Now, why so? Someone asked, why so? Clear? Read the third last line से पढ़ो. Conventionally, in an electric circuit, the direction of electric current is taken as. Taken as means who considered it? Physicists considered it. Clear? Is taken as opposite to the direction of flow of electrons, which are negative charges. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Conventionally taken means उसको sign convention बोलते हैं. Conventionally मतलब sign convention. अब आप बोलेंगे sign convention का मतलब, sign convention का मतलब there are two axes. Clear? Above axis is means the standing axis is x axis and its sign above is positive. That is a sign convention. Direction के हिसाब से sign दिया हुआ उसको बोलते हैं sign convention. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So conventionally means according to sign convention, the direction of flow of electric current is from positive terminal to negative terminal. Okay. Now is page number 199 clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If what was the definition of electric current that we studied just now? Electric current is the what is called
charges.
flow of charges.
Charges.
If a net charge Q flows across any cross section of a conductor in time t, then current I through the cross section is I is equal to Q upon T. Is the formula clear?
Yes.
I is equal to Q upon T. Now, about the unit, Q is charge and the unit of charge is 1 coulomb. What is the unit of charge?
1
Coulomb.
1
1
coulomb.
coulomb. And time, what is the unit of time?
Second.
Second.
Second. Okay, so the unit of electric current actually is 1 coulomb per 1 second, but in memory of Andre Marie Ampere. Clear? This 1 coulomb upon 1 second is named as 1 ampere. Therefore, 1 coulomb upon 1 second is equal to 1 ampere, and the unit of electric current is amperes. What is the unit of electric current?
Ampere.
Let's read. The SI unit of electric charge is coulomb, which is equivalent to the charge contained in nearly 6 into 10 raised to 18 electrons. The electric current is expressed by a unit called ampere, named after the French scientist Andre Marie Ampere. 1 ampere is constituted by the flow of 1 coulomb of charge per second, means 1 coulomb upon 1 second. That is 1A is equal to 1C upon 1S. 1A is equal to 1C upon 1S. Small quantities of current are expressed in milliamperes or in microamperes. Okay, and an instrument known as an ammeter. See the name, similarity in the names. Ampere, ammeter. Okay, an instrument called ammeter measures electric current in a circuit. Who measures electric current?
Ammeter.
Ammeter. What is the unit of electric current?
Ampere. Ampere.
It is always connected in series in a circuit. Now see, series and parallel. These are two different things which we'll study afterwards, means in the next topic. Clear? For now, you have to just remember, ammeter is connected in what? Series. Ammeter is connected in series. Now, figure 12.1 shows the line diagram, schematic diagram of a typical electric circuit consisting of a cell, an electric bulb, an ammeter, and a plug key. Note that the electric current flows in the circuit from the, read with me, will someone read with me? Read from the what? अरे
Positive
Positive
terminal of the
negative
cell to the negative terminal of the cell through the bulb and the ammeter. समझे? Electric current flows from the positive terminal to the negative terminal. Now observe figure 12.1. Observe. Clear? There is a key. K जो है ना वो key है. Clear? Negative terminal small line, positive terminal big line. From positive terminal there is an arrow. What is written on the left hand side of that arrow?
I electric charge.
I electric current.
Current, sir.
I electric current. Then that arrow means that electric current is passing through the bulb. Will the bulb glow then?
Yes.
In this case, the bulb will glow because the circuit is closed. Agree?
Yes, sir.
And then the electric current will pass through the ammeter. Ammeter is always connected in series. And observe, the positive terminal of the battery is connected to the positive terminal of the ammeter. आपको दिखाई दे रहा है क्या फिगर में?
हाँ, sir.
Positive terminal of the battery is connected to the positive terminal of the ammeter. What will happen if you connect positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal of the ammeter? There will be a short circuit. There will be a short circuit. Clear? Ammeter जल भी सकता है उसमें. समझे? So positive terminal बैटरी का और पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल एमीटर का साथ में लगाना चाहिए. समझ में आया? क्लियर? Very important whenever, means this is a very important thing whenever you have to draw diagrams. Read. Observe further. Then negative terminal of the ammeter, electric current is flowing through the key. Then it comes to the negative terminal of the battery. Correct? Is the figure clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Figure clear. Now example 12.1. Example. See, whenever we are studying examples, what you have to do, as soon as the class gets over, whichever examples we solved or whatever we are studying, you may write this down. क्लास के टाइम पे भी आप लिख सकते हो, लेकिन क्या होगा अगर आप मैं पढ़ाते वक्त लिखूंगा, मतलब मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ और आप लिख रहे हो, बराबर, तो क्या हो सकता है एट दैट टाइम आपसे कुछ स्किप हो जाएगा. क्लियर? आप देखो आपको कैसे मैनेज करना है. आप ये सब लिख लेंगे तो अच्छा होगा, है ना, लिखते जाएंगे तो. Clear? Now read the question. A current of 0.5 amperes is drawn. Physics, numericals. Whenever we are studying numericals in physics, what you have to do? You have to write down the notations. Clear? What is the notation for electric current? What is the notation for
Q upon T.
X? I is 0.5 amperes. Then I is 0.5 amperes. For 10 minutes. 10 minutes. What is the time? 10 minutes. Now, is time taken in minutes or seconds?
Second.
This will become
Second.
600 seconds.
600 seconds.
And what you have to find? Find the amount of electric charge. Find the amount of electric charge. Find the amount of electric. Find the amount of electric charge. So you have extracted everything from the question. Is the extraction clear?
Yes, sir.
इंफॉर्मेशन निकाल लिया, उसको मैथमेटिकल फॉर्म में लिख लिए. क्लियर है क्या?
हाँ, sir.
अब क्या करना है आपको, IQT का कौन सा फॉर्मूला है? I
is equal to Q upon T.
I 0.5. Q you have to find upon 600. Then you have to find Q. So Q will be 600 into 0.5. Means Q will be 300 coulombs. Q will be 300 coulombs. Clear?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
next topic. Electric potential and potential difference. Now, you might have heard a sentence. He is having potential or she is having potential. What do you mean by that?
Stored energy. Ability.
Capacity.
Capability.
Ability, capacity. What more? Power,
Energy.
energy.
Strength.
Now, this potential, is it a relative term or a non-relative term?
Relative.
Relative term.
Can anyone explain my question? Is potential a relative term or a non-relative term? It is a relative term. But can anyone explain my question, or can anyone explain whatever I wish to explain whatever I wish to tell you? No one? Potential is a relative term. Relative term means whenever you compare one person or one situation with another situation, or one person with another person, then you say that he has more potential. More potential in relation to what? Someone else. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, so the topic is electric potential and potential difference. See, how many terminals are there in an electric circuit?
2.
Two terminals. Which are they?
Positive and negative.
Positive and negative.
Positive terminal, and means they are positive terminal, and the negative terminal, two terminals. These are known as two potentials. What are they known as? Two
Potentials.
potentials. Clear? And difference between them is known as its potential difference. Difference between them is known as their potential difference. Clear? Means, do positive charges move or negative charges move? Who will move?
Negative charge.
Negative.
Negative charges will move. Yeah. So if positive charges are 0, and negative charges are 100, will negative charges move towards positive charges? राष्ट्रभाषा में बताओगे अभी? अरे अगर पॉजिटिव चार्ज है ही नहीं, 0 है पॉजिटिव चार्ज और नेगेटिव चार्ज 100 है ये सर्किट में, तो नेगेटिव चार्ज पॉजिटिव चार्ज की ओर जाएगा या नहीं जाएगा?
जाएगा। नहीं जाएगा।
नहीं जाएगा। नहीं जाएगा।
Why won't it move? Because electrons move. Because opposite charges attract each other. The positive terminal is attracting. The positive terminal is attracting the negative charges. Are you getting the theories?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Why do electrons move? Because protons. Why do negative charges move? Because positive charges are attracting negative charges towards themselves. So if the positive charges are 0, will negative charges move?
No.
No.
So what do you mean by potential difference? Both the charges should be available in some or the other quantity. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Whatever quantity there, whatever quantity. Clear? Now, read. Electric potential and potential difference. What makes the electric charge to flow? Come on, answer. What makes the electric charge to flow? अरे बताओ ना बेटा, मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया ना अभी. रॉन्ग हो गया. Wrong.
Positive charges attract the negative charges.
What makes the electric charge to flow? Positive charges attracting negative charges. Very good. Now, let us consider the analogy of flow of water. Analogy of flow of water. Water flows from top to
Higher concentration to lower.
yes, higher concentration to low concentration, or top to bottom. Clear? So that is the difference in potential. Correct? That is the difference in potential in relation to water. Height is the difference, or concentration is the difference. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
तो वो हो गया उसकी पोटेंशियल का, उसके ताकत का डिफरेंस, पोटेंशियल का डिफरेंस. तो पानी हमेशा ऊपर से नीचे आएगा, नीचे से ऊपर जाएगा क्या? नहीं. हाँ, नीचे से ऊपर कौन से केस में जा सकता है? कॉन्सेंट्रेशन के केस में जा सकता है. अगर आपने एक रोप लिया, वो रोप को आपने नीचे से पानी में डिप कर दिया, तो वो पानी जो है ऊपर 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 चढ़ते जाएगा, चढ़ते जाएगा, चढ़ते जाएगा. Because water moves from higher concentration to lower concentration. Yeah, means the potential was more below and the potential was less above. Yeah. Okay. So, was there a potential difference?
Yes.
Yes. There was a potential difference. Higher concentration, lower concentration क्या है? Potential difference है ना? Higher height, lower height क्या है? Potential difference है ना? So, positive and negative. Whenever positive charges and negative charges are present, they mean there is a potential, means both the potentials are present. If both the potentials are present, there is a difference between them. What is the difference? Positive charges will attract negative charges. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Read.
Yes, sir.
Read. Let us consider the analogy of flow of water. Charges do not flow in a copper wire by themselves, just as water in a perfectly horizontal tube does not flow. If one end of the tube is connected to a tank of water kept at a higher level, such that there is a pressure difference between the two ends of the tube, water flows out of the other end of the tube. For flow of charges in a conducting metallic wire, the gravity, of course, has no role to play. In electricity, gravity has no role to play. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Then who plays the main role?
Attraction.
Potential.
Yes. The electrons move only if there is a difference of electric pressure called the potential difference along the conductor. This difference of potential may be produced by a battery consisting of one or more electric cells. Means a battery will produce electric potential difference. A battery will produce potential difference. Why will a battery produce potential difference? Why will it? Because dash.
Terms.
Because
And
because it has both the potentials present, the positive potential and the negative potential, the positive terminal and the negative terminal. Clear? Which will create a potential difference and negative charges will move towards the positive charges. Read. This difference of potential may be produced by a battery consisting of one or more electric cells. The chemical action within a cell generates a potential difference across the terminals of the cell, even when no current is drawn from it. Read this line.
the chemical action within a cell generates the potential difference across the terminals of the cell, even when no current is drawn from it.
और एक पढ़ो अभी कोई तो भी विधि पढ़ो विधि.
The chemical action within a cell generates the potential difference across the terminals of the cell, even when no current is drawn from it.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सेंटेंस है पूरा, मतलब मैक्सिमम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चैप्टर इज स्टोर्ड इन दिस लाइन इटसेल्फ। क्लियर? चलो और एक कौन पढ़ेगा? कोई भी और एक पढ़ो, चलो पढ़ो और एक कोई भी।
मैं पढ़ूं क्या सर?
पढ़ो पढ़ो।
The chemical action within a cell generates the potential difference across the terminals of the cell, even when no current is drawn from it.
Here they are saying the chemical action means, do you think this line is related to chemistry?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Clear? आप जो बैटरी सेल जो यूज करते हैं ना, पेंसिल सेल देखा होगा आप सबने, पेंसिल सेल देखा हुआ है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
पेंसिल सेल में होता क्या है, अब वो चेक करना नहीं उसको, इट माइट बी डेंजरस बिकॉज पोटेंशियल एनर्जी इज स्टोर्ड इन इट। अगर आप उसको जोर से मारेंगे किसी चीज से तो वो ब्लास्ट हो सकता है, बराबर? इसलिए ये काम करना नहीं, सिर्फ बात करके समझ लेना। क्लियर? आपको क्या लगता है, किसी ने देखा हुआ है उसके अंदर क्या होता है? वो सेल के अंदर
तो ब्लैक कलर का समथिंग और सैंड टाइप रहता,
मॉइस्ट होता है या ड्राई होता है?
ड्राई
Dry.
ड्राई कब होता है? जब वो सेल डिस्चार्ज हो जाता है तब। क्लियर? एक्चुअली वो मॉइस्ट होता है। आपने देखा होगा कभी कभी बहुत दिनों तक अगर किसी सेल को अगर आपने छोड़ दिया ना एज इट इज किसी अप्लायंस में, तो वो थोड़ा स्टिकी उसमें से कुछ तो बाहर आता है, देखा हुआ आपने?
Yes, sir.
that is the moistness of the paste which came out. Clear? And the cell got discharged because उसका moisture बाहर आ गया। If no moisture is present, if no water is present, will ionization take place?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
थियरी कैसा इंटरेस्टिंग है, मतलब एक्चुअल में सेल जो है, बराबर, सेल के अंदर जो मटेरियल है, that material is a covalent compound or an ionic compound?
Ionic compound.
Ionic compound. That is metal positive, non-metal negative. This is the compound. कोई भी कंपाउंड हो सकता है, बहुत सारे अलग अलग कंपाउंड होते हैं, अमोनियम क्लोराइड है सपोज जैसे, बराबर? So what happens when they will become moist? What will happen? What will happen when they will become moist?
Ionization takes place.
Ionization will take place. They will separate, and these negative ions, they will move towards positive ions.
Positive ions.
Negative ions means negative charges will move towards positive charges. Clear? And there are two terminals. This is your cell battery. Clear? If you connect this with the help of a wire, positive terminal, negative terminal. Okay? If 50 positive charges are there and 50 negative charges are there. अब आप क्वेश्चन अगर पूछेंगे सर ये चार्जेस कहां से आए, तो उसका आंसर क्या होगा?
Potential energy, stored energy.
Yes, chemical energy stored in the form of paste. Now you are having an answer to that question also. Clear? Now if 50 charges are there and 50 charges are here, what will happen if you connect this with a bulb? Okay, one charge will flow and the bulb will glow. Agree?
Yes.
So
If one charge flows, this will become how much?
40.
49.
One charge flowed and one negative charge flowed, came to positive terminal. So will this 50 become 51 or become 49 or will remain 50?
51. 51.
Huh?
49.
51.
51.
Sir,
बताओ।
remain same.
50.
Sir, 50 because positive charges won't move. Means they are.
Charge won't move, correct? But when plus 1 will move, when minus 1 will move and meet plus 50, what will be the answer?
49.
49. समझ में आया? तो ये सब लिंक टुगेदर है, फिजिक्स, मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, आपको सिर्फ लिंक अप करना है ना? कितने बचे अभी यहाँ पर?
Yes.
49.
अब ये यहाँ से और एक गया, तो यहाँ पे
48.
कितने हो जाएंगे?
48.
Plus 1 minus 1 will become 0. Plus 1 minus 1 will become 0.
0.
And
Zero.
after much more time, the bulb will glow for much more time, and one time will come when the last electron will move, and this will also become 0, and the battery will be discharged. What will happen to the battery?
Battery will
Be
discharge.
discharged.
Discharged. Clear? आप बोलेंगे सर, अब आप मुझे पूछ सकते हो, आप बोलेंगे सर अगर इधर 100 चार्जेस होते तो यहाँ 50 बचते और यहाँ 50 होते तो यहाँ 0 बचते। 50 गए ना यहाँ से यहाँ, बराबर? समझ में
हाँ,
आया क्या
सर।
कुछ मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
अगर
sir.
100 नेगेटिव चार्जेस थे तो 50 गए तो 50 पॉजिटिव 0 हो गए, तो यहाँ पे 0 चार्ज है, तो फिर बल्ब ग्लो होगा या नहीं होगा? चलो बोलो, होगा नहीं होगा?
नहीं होगा.
नहीं होगा.
नहीं होगा.
नहीं होगा, बिकॉज देर इज नो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस। ताकत का डिफरेंस है ही नहीं है, देर इज नो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस। Who will attract these negative charges towards the positive terminal? No one. There's no one. Clear? And if it is the opposite thing, if 100 positive charges were there, and if only 50 negative charges were there, 50 negative charges moved, made 50 neutral, and 50 are remaining now.
तभी भी नहीं होगा flow.
No,
भी नहीं होगा।
No, sir.
क्यों? Because positive charges are there. They
But
are ready
negative.
to attract negative charges, but there is no negative charge only. So no negative charge, the bulb won't glow. समझ में आया?
हाँ sir.
अब फिर से कोई भी 3 लोग एक एक करके वो सेंटेंस पढ़ना जो मैंने आपको पढ़ने के लिए बोला था। चलो पढ़ो, कोई भी पढ़ो, जोर से, अच्छे से, क्लियरली एकदम पढ़ने का, पढ़ो।
The chemical action within cell generates the potential difference across the terminals of the cell, even when no current is drawn from it.
Yes, sir.
और एक बार पढ़ो, कोई भी पढ़ो।
The chemical action within a cell generates the potential difference across the terminals of the cell, even when no current is drawn from it.
The chemical action within a cell generates the potential difference across the terminals of the cell, even when no current is drawn from it.
अब आगे पढ़ो। When the cell is connected to a conducting circuit element, ये देखो वायर से कनेक्ट कर दिया उसको, the potential difference sets the charges in motion in the conductor and produces an electric current, and the bulb will glow. In order to maintain the current in a given electric circuit, the cell has to use, expend का मीनिंग होता है use पढ़ो, easy जाएगा। The cell has to use its chemical energy stored in it. पूरा पैराग्राफ क्लियर हो गया क्या अभी?
Yes, sir.
एक काम करो, ये पूरा पैराग्राफ यहां तक पढ़ो, सब पढ़ो और देखो एवरी लाइन एवरी वर्ड क्लियर है क्या? देखो चलो, डू इट जेन्युइनली, एकदम ईमानदारी से पढ़ने का।
So done.
Read?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Doubt?
No, sir.
डाउट मतलब जो भी थियोरी है ना वहां लिखा हुआ आपको समझ में आ गया क्या? हर एक लाइन ऐसा ऐसा होगा, कैसा कैसा होगा, ऐसे बोर्ड पे ऐसा देखा, ऐसे होगा, वो समझ में आना चाहिए. तो फिर मींस यू अंडरस्टैंड, इंटरेस्ट विल ग्रो, है ना. वो लैंग्वेज, साइंटिफिक लैंग्वेज, फिजिक्स की लैंग्वेज समझ में आनी चाहिए. आई क्या समझ में आई?
Yes.
डाउट है उसमें से किसी सेंटेंस में, किसी वर्ड
No,
में?
sir.
नहीं. आगे चलते. Now, mathematical part. Clear? We define the electric potential difference between 2 points in an electric current carrying electric circuit carrying some current as the work done to move a unit charge from one point to the other. In short, potential difference between 2 points is equal to work done upon charge. Potential difference is equal to work done upon charge. Potential difference is denoted by the letter capital V. Work done is denoted by capital W and charge is denoted by capital Q. Okay? Potential difference is equal to work done upon charge. Further. Now about the unit. Unit. What is the unit of work done? Bolo jaldi. Joule. What is the unit of charge?
Coulomb.
One column.
So, the unit of potential difference is 1 joule upon 1 coulomb. What is it?
1 joule upon 1 coulomb.
But in memory of Alessandro Volta. Who?
Alessandro
Volta. Who gave this theory in memory of him? Clear? 1 joule upon 1 coulomb is denoted as 1 volt. Small v. This is small v. Clear? So, the unit of potential difference is 1 volt. What is the unit of potential difference? 1 volt. Pado. The SI unit of potential difference is volt. Named after Alessandro Volta, an Italian physicist. 1 volt is the potential difference between 2 points in a current carrying conductor when 1 joule of work is done to move a charge of 1 coulomb from one point to the other. Therefore, 1 volt is equal to 1 joule upon 1 coulomb. The potential difference is measured by means of an instrument called the voltmeter. Electric current, ampere, ammeter. Potential difference, voltmeter. And ammeter is connected in series and voltmeter will be connected in parallel. Can you repeat whatever I said about electric current and potential difference? अरे प्रियल बोलो बेटा. प्रियल.
Sir, ammeter is connected in series, whereas voltmeter is connected in parallel.
और एक बार स्टार्टिंग से रिपीट करता हूँ. Electric current, unit ampere. Who measures? Ammeter measures electric current and ammeter is connected in series. Potential difference, unit is volt. Who measures? Voltmeter measures potential difference and voltmeter is connected in parallel. Okay? चलो और एक बार रिपीट करो. कौन रिपीट करेगा? मैंने पूरा बोला हो, पूरा रिपीट करो.
Sir, I'll do. Sir, current unit of current is ampere. It is measured by ammeter, and ammeter is always connected in series. Potential difference is denoted by capital V. Its SI unit is volt, and it is measured by voltmeter, which is always connected parallel.
Potential difference is measured by means of an instrument called the voltmeter. The voltmeter is always connected in parallel across the points between which the potential difference is to be measured. Now, example 12.2. Read and go on extracting. How much work is done? How much? This is how much work is done. How much work is done? In moving a charge of 2 coulombs. In moving a charge of 2 coulombs. Across 2 points having potential difference 12 volt. Having potential difference 12 volts. How much work is done? WQV. Is there a relation between WQV?
Yes.
Yes.
V is equal to W upon Q. V is 12. W is W itself. We have to find. Q is 2. W is equal to 12 to the 24. What is the unit?
Joule.
Joule.
Now circuit diagram. Circuit diagram. Read. We know that an electric current as shown in figure 12.1 comprises a cell, a plug key and so on. All its notations, all its symbols, components and symbols are given in table 12.1, page number 203. Okay? Yes. Now what you have to do, listen. अभी कितने हैं? 10 मिनट हैं. Okay. Now you do one thing. Listen. बोर्ड पे जितना भी स्टार्टिंग से अभी तक का सब लिखा हुआ है. क्लियर? हमेशा मैं आपको टाइम नहीं दूंगा. अभी ओम्स लॉ इज द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक एंड ओम्स लॉ के साथ में ही फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग मींस देयर इज नो गैप इन बिटवीन. बड़ा टॉपिक है, 10 मिनट में नहीं होता. क्लियर? सो व्हाट यू मे डू फॉर नाउ, write all these things whichever you wish. Clear? Prepare your notes. While preparing, we are having 10 minutes. If you are having a doubt, get it cleared.